Joseph Willie L. Mendoza from AMT 1-5. And for today's video, we will talk about mathematics in our modern world. Galileo Galilei stated once that nature's great book is written in mathematics. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna give you some ideas of why there is mathematics in nature. So let's go! Before I give you the examples that I see in our farm, I will first teach you the 3 basic mathematics that you can see in nature. First is fractals, second is golden ratio, and the third is Fibonacci sequence that you can see in nature. The first one is fractals. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are similar across different scales. Trees are perfect examples of fractals in nature. You will find fractals at every level of the forest ecosystem, from seeds to branches and leaves, and to the self-similar replication of trees and plants throughout the ecosystem. These balimbing fruit, are also known as star fruit, can also be an example of fractal because each shape or pattern never changes at all times, even in different tree. So, therefore, it can be a good example of fractals in nature. Next is the golden ratio. It is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. There is also a graph for golden ratio and it is called golden spiral. One of a good example that I saw at our farm was this turkey. It has a shape that fits in a golden spiral, so it is one good example of mathematics in nature. Another example is this duck. This duck also have a shape that fits in a golden spiral. Last but not the least is the Fibonacci sequence or numbers. It is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the preceding 2 numbers. For example, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13, and so on and so on. One example of Fibonacci sequence in nature is the petal of this butterfly flower, or also known as purple shamrock or Oxalis triangularis. This has a 5 number of petals and 5 is in the Fibonacci sequence. Therefore, it is a good example of Fibonacci in nature. And always remember that if you think deeper, you can appreciate more of the mathematics in our nature. So that's all for today. Thank you for staying until the end of this video, and I hope you learn a lot from this topic. Thank you again and stay safe everyone.